How serious was the drone attack near Moscow that prompted Zelensky's statement? This unexpected strike near Russia's capital sent shockwaves across the world and challenged assumptions about security. The drone attack near Moscow involved multiple unmanned aerial vehicles flying toward the Kremlin and other sensitive sites. Russian defense systems reportedly shot down most drones, but a few reportedly exploded in the city, causing minor damage and some injuries. This was the first such attack so close to the Russian seat of power, raising alarms about security gaps and new tactics in the ongoing conflict. Following the drone incident, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy made a statement that effectively confirmed Ukraine's involvement, framing the attack as a justified action against Russia's aggression. This marked a notable escalation in Ukraine's tactics, signaling a shift toward more direct strikes targeting Russia itself, rather than only frontline combat zones. Zelenskyy's words were both a warning and a message of resilience to his people and the world. Globally, the drone strike near Moscow was met with mixed reactions. Some experts viewed it as mostly symbolic, demonstrating Ukraine's capability to strike deep into Russian territory. Others feared it could provoke harsher Russian retaliation or escalate the conflict into a broader war. The incident raised new questions about security vulnerabilities even in major capitals and the evolving nature of modern warfare involving drones. This drone attack near Moscow is a game-changer. It exposed unexpected vulnerabilities in a heavily guarded capital and signaled a shift in how conflicts might unfold, with unmanned technology playing a bigger role. The political and military implications are profound, reminding us that modern warfare is unpredictable and evolving fast. Staying informed on these developments is essential for understanding global security today. The drone attack near Moscow was more than just a headline. It showed how new technology is changing warfare and politics in real time. Zelenskyy's statement confirmed a bold new chapter in the conflict, making the world rethink security. For daily fascinating answers to questions you didn't even know you had, hit subscribe and stay curious.